Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily fix inaccurate date in WhatsApp app on your Android device. Don't forget, friends, please put your likes below the video. Make sure to write your comments after watching and also subscribe to the channel. So friends, let us get down to the topic. So if you are facing some difficulties and problems because you have inaccurate date in WhatsApp app, you may not even be able to log into the app because of this glitch. So, how can you solve this problem? Actually, friends, it is very simple. First of all, you will need to swipe on your Android screen from the right side from top to bottom. Now tap on the gear to open your phone setting. Now at the top you'll have a search box. I recommend that you just type the word time into it. That way, you'll find the option you're looking for faster. And here you will need to search for date and time. Once you've opened this time or date menu option, folks, you'll need to click here on Auto Time. And if you have it disabled, that is this kind of auto time or date adjustment. Then if you have it disabled, you will need to switch it to auto. So friends, this will help you to avoid the date interruption issues in WhatsApp in future. Once you have done that, I recommend you to exit the settings and reboot your device. You can easily do this by pressing the shutdown button. Press and hold on it. After that, you reboot your device. And when you re-enter the WhatsApp app, then this problem will already be fixed. This is the quick and very simple way you can fix inaccurate date in WhatsApp app on any Android device. I hope this video has helped you out. Please don't forget to put your likes and also subscribe to the channel. Take care, friends.